Okay, I received something new for my reenacting kit for Resistance. I know this is going to need work, but this could be actually one of two things. Let's see what it is. Yes, I did go on eBay and spend a little money. Fortunately, it's not the most expensive thing I could buy for my French Resistance reenacting kit. Okay, with what you can see right now, any ideas of what this is? You should have a pretty good idea now. I have to change the camera angle and we'll try to get a shot of this. Okay, here's the coat, which is gonna be real fun trying on because, well, as you can kind of see, I'm more in an attic type space and it gets really warm up here. And it is really warm right now. In order to film, I have to have my little air conditioner off. Anyways, let's try this on. I had to rotate the camera to get more of me in the shot. So a very heavy coat. It's 100% wool. This will be really nice to help keep warm in the reenactment in October that's coming up. It's hard to believe that's coming up already. Anyways, here it is, besides my fashionable choice of this printed t-shirt underneath a vintage greatcoat. That looks just great. There are a few imperfections with this coat, and I'll show it to you guys as soon as I get it off, because I'm baking. So as I said, there were a few imperfections which I was aware of when I purchased this. One, there's a hole in the lining right here. And two, there's an even larger hole at the very bottom in the lining. Those are not big deals to me. The other thing that's kind of goofy, which I was also aware of this when I purchased it, was these two different buttons. I get up and close so you can see them. This is what I'm pretty sure was supposed to be on the coat. This is not supposed to be on the coat. So the question is, how should the button look? Should it look like a wood button? Should it look like a bone button? Or should it look like a bakelite button? I need to research buttons, but do you know the answer? Let me know in the comments. As you've stuck around to this point, I'm assuming you enjoyed this video, so make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody else that you know would appreciate this video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in future videos.